So today I'm back again with another video. So what I'll be doing is I'll be making an origami boat. Well, I've only learned how to do it today. My brother taught me, so it will be on a bit of an angle, and like sometimes if you make this, sometimes if you like pull the corner bits, it breaks. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Indianna's Vlogs, and if you want to add me on Messenger, I'll link down below what my name is. I'll link the profile. So yeah, let's get started. So first you're going to grab a piece of paper, then you're going to grab one of the ends and fold it up like that. So you're going to do that, and then it'll be like that. It'll be like that. You want to fold it how originally, when you just folded it, like that, in half. You're going to fold it up. You're going to fold this like this up again. Then you're going to unfold it. Unfold just how it's like that, just to unfold that. Then it'll be half a page. And then you'll want to, the point that's open like this, like that, you're going to fold it down to the line. So fold this down to the line, the crack in the middle, and do it with the other side, and then do it to the back. The same thing. And then we're half done. And then with the bottom, it should be look like that, like a little hat. And then you're gonna fold the bottoms to the where this is, so right here. And then you'll get that. And then you're gonna do the other side too. And then it should look like this, just a little triangle. Then you're gonna fold this down, fold it down, just one corner, fold it down, and then you should have it like that. And then you're gonna twist it over to the other side, and then you fold it down like that, and it should come like that. Then you want to open it, and then you got a boat. So yeah, there's your origami boat. And see what I mean when when you do that, it splits, but it makes it, yeah. So that's it. So yeah, if you want to keep watching more of my videos, then don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and put your notifications on. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.